Over the course of this year, you're going to become very familiar with this sheet. This is your homework sheet. You get one per semester, so make sure you take good care of it. Every day when you come into class, find your seat and get out your green sheet. This is how I'll check to see that you did your homework. There will almost always be a warm-up projected on the screen. So after you've found your seat and gotten out your green homework sheet, you should get started on the warm-up. The homework sheet works like this. First, you need to put your name up here. You're going to keep this sheet with you, like I said, the whole semester. So make sure that you find a good, safe place for it in your binder. When you come in every day, you need to have your sheet out for me to check. This sheet is divided into weeks. As you can see, there's 20 weeks. For every week, there's 5 spaces. It doesn't take a whole lot of math to realize you'll have 1 space per day per week. So let's take a look at week number 1. Week number 1 has 5 spaces, Monday through Friday. On Monday, I want to see the homework from the previous Friday. So when I check the homework, I'm going to be using this scale. If you get a check mark, you get 20 points, and that means that you did your homework entirely. If you get a dash, that means you get 10 points because your homework was only halfway completed. If you didn't do your homework at all, or if you did less than half of your homework, you get an X and it's worth 0 points. Homework will be assessed every single week at the end of the week. I'm going to just add up the points that you get in each of the 5 spaces. If you get a check mark, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, then your grade will be 100. Also, please remember that I do not accept late homework. If your homework is not out and your sheet is not ready to show me at the beginning of class, then your homework is considered late and you will receive an X for the homework grade that day. As a reminder, an X is 0 points out of a possible 20. If you were absent and missed a homework assignment, I expect to see the completed assignment on the day that you return to school. But don't let me scare you. The homework in Spanish class is really not a big deal. I'll show you exactly what I'm expecting. This is what I expect to see on your desk every day as soon as you come into the classroom. You've got your green homework sheet ready for me to check. You've also got your homework from the previous night. Most of the time, your homework will be to watch a video about a certain grammar topic. In this case, I just picked a really crazy one. But here's the basic idea. What I'm looking for is for you to have completed a special section of the video called A Practicar. It's your chance to practice what you've learned while watching the video and before you come to class. There are usually 3 or 5 practice questions that you need to work on, and that's what I'm checking for homework. You are also encouraged to take some notes on the grammar topic, and if you happen to have any questions, you should write them down on the same sheet that you're using to complete your homework. I'm never going to collect this homework sheet, so you can put it in a notebook, in a composition book, in your binder, really wherever you want to put it. I'm not going to collect it. It's for you to help you learn Spanish grammar better. If you do have questions while watching the video, I suggest writing them down with your notes or with your homework assignment so that you can ask them in class the next day. I will always welcome questions about the previous night's video in class the next day.